Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Square for merchant insurance coverage setup step by step clearly. To begin the process of subscribing with Square for merchant insurance coverage, start by visiting the official Square website. Once on the home page, locate the menu option for services or products offered. Click on the link that pertains to Square's merchant insurance coverage. Review the information provided on this page to understand the coverage options available. Look for a button or link that says Get Started or Sign Up. Select this button to proceed to the registration page. On the registration page, you will be prompted to enter your business details. Fill in your business name, type, and contact information accurately. Next, provide any additional information requested, such as your business address and phone number. Once you have entered all necessary information, review it for accuracy and completeness. After confirming your details, look for an option to create an account or log in if you already have one. If creating a new account, set a strong password and agree to the terms and conditions. Proceed to submit your registration information. After your account is successfully created, log in to your Square account. Once logged in, navigate back to the merchant insurance section. Choose the specific insurance coverage that best fits your business needs. Follow the prompts to fill out any required information about your insurance selection. This may include details about your business operations and any previous claims. After entering the necessary details, review your choices one last time. Look for a confirmation button to finalize your insurance subscription. Click on the confirmation button to complete the process. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your insurance coverage. Check your email regularly for any updates or additional information from Square. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.